What's up, armies? Thank you for your love and support. Let's begin with BTS V facts. His real name is Kim Taehyung. His stage name is V, meaning victory for the group. Before his debut, other names he considered were Lex or Six. V was born in Daegu on December 13, 1995. Later, he moved to Gochang, South Gyeongsang Province. He is a dancer and a vocalist known for his deep, husky voice. V said if he had not become part of BTS, he would have become a farmer and worked with his grandmother pulling up weeds. He played the saxophone for the 3 years in middle school. He thought about becoming a saxophonist, but he decided he liked singing more. He became a trainee for Big Hit Entertainment after passing an audition in Daegu. Big Hit kept V under wraps until his debut, and he was the last member of BTS to be revealed to the public. He is eldest of 3 children with a younger brother and sister. V's role model is his father, whom he describes as a good listener and who takes good care of his children. The singer's goal in his life is to be just like his father. His all-time favorite movie is the Korean movie Miracle in Cell Number 7, which made him cry. He is 178 centimeters tall and weight is 66 kilograms. V's favorite color is grey. His blood type is AB. His favorite songs include Hello in There, Blue Room, Every Kind of Way. V does not like coffee because of the bitter taste, but he likes drinking hot chocolate. V does not like vegetables. He is good friend with other popular celebrities including actor Park Bo-gum, whom he got to know when he co-hosted Music Bank. He is also good friend with Sung Jae and the Chinese Minho, EXO's Baekhyun and actor Park Min Jae. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. BTS singer V shares a close bond with Choi Woo-sik, Park Seo-joon, Park Hyun-sik and Peak Boy. They fondly call themselves the VUCA Squad. He is interested in photography and is inspired by the works of Sydney-based minimalist photographer Antip Batzim. He uses the hashtag Vente for his photography work and contribute to the artist. V's ideal woman is thoughtful, cares for him a lot and uses money wisely. He likes long-haired women who are chic on outside but have warm hearts. He picked Lily Collins and Rachel McAdams as his Hollywood crushes. V said his long thin hands were the part of his body he most confident about. V likes classic and jazz music. V likes the Italian brand Gucci and he is frequently spotted wearing the brand, but now it's Louis Vuitton. V can speak a bit of Japanese as well. V does not drink alcohol, he likes Coke instead of beer, but recently he revealed that he is drinking Fanta. V is graduated from Global Cyber University and also from Korean Arts High School. V has a dog named Yongtan, lives with him now. Playing basketball and bicycling are his favorite sports activities. His bucket list includes traveling with his family, having at least 3 to 5 kids. V's favorite food include japchae, any type of meat and potato pancakes. He says he got acting advices from actress Hye Ji-won, who is now a good friend. American musician Ruben Studdard and Eric Bennett are both artists who inspired V. When he was a student, he liked music and PE, but he did not like maths. V likes going to art galleries. He said one of his favorite moments during BTS US tour was going to MoMA in New York City and the Art Institute of Chicago. V's friend affectionately call him Tete, derived from Taehyung. His other nicknames include CGV due to his good looks, which almost seem computer generated. He has a habit of biting nails as well as opening his mouth and touching anything that is cute. His bandmates say that he is the most outgoing personality in the group. V likes going to amusement parks. He was spotted going to Lotte World with actor Park Bo-gum. His ideal date is going to an amusement park and holding hands. V likes reading comics and watching animated films. He finished every episode of the Japanese manga One Piece. In 2017, V's face was picked as the most handsome in the world, topping TC Candler on the annual list of the 100 most beautiful faces of the year. V is a big fan of the girls group Girls' Generation. V said he has not been in a serious relationship yet. His hope is to marry his first love. V is originally left-handed, but he can write with his right hand too. Actor Ansel Elgort is a good friend. Ansel Elgort once changed his Twitter profile picture to one of V. V may have gone for being an extrovert to an introvert, but there are several deeper perks of being this personality type. V's skincare treatment on the plane including soaking cotton pads with toner and putting on twice as much lotion. V is the second youngest member of the 7-piece act after Jungkook. He is also moved when somebody buys him pretty clothes and happy when he gets to sleep. V is featured in a 2019 Korean elementary school textbook in a section describing different careers. Taehyung revealed that he had called his father once and told him that he wants to quit. His father was supportive of his decision, but eventually V got hold of himself. Recalling the incident, V had said being a trainee was so hard that I called him crying. When I told him I wanted to quit, he told me if it's too hard you can quit, there are a lot of other jobs. Let's look for one together. I had nothing to say to that. I felt embarrassed that I said that in the first place. As time passed, those words touched me. V has loved strawberries for years, but that love is no more. In a live broadcast, he revealed that many people sent him strawberries knowing that he likes them. It was too much of a good thing. V no longer liked this delicious fruit as much as he used to because he has eaten it too often. In a video with Tokopedia, BTS revealed which artists inspired V in the past and present. Jimin guessed Kurt Cobain, an American singer-songwriter, frontman of the rock band Nirvana. He said Kurt Cobain was inspiration when I was trainee, V said. V's other role model as a trainee was singer-writer John Legend. Years later, V fanboy dreams came true when he met John Legend in person. Canadian singer Justin Bieber, who is now part of Hype family, Holy is one of the V's favorite Justin Bieber songs. V revealed his songwriting process. I try to write the lyrics for every note or until that part ends. I write 8 bars of melody, then write lyrics for those 8 bars before I move on. Or I write all the melody before I write the lyrics. If I write the lyrics first, the melody changes a lot according to the lyrics. So sometimes I can't write the melody I want, it's pretty frustrating, so I write the melody first. In a live broadcast, we revealed that he had not taken a new selfie in the whole 6 months. He said, I don't like how my face turns out in a selfie. Hope so you like this video. Stay tuned for more amazing content.